It's springtime, so everybody is talking about spring cleaning and decluttering right now. And there are so many ways to declutter and make some money that it can be a little bit mind-boggling. So I'm going to talk about a few different ways that you can offload your stuff as kind of like a side hustle to make some money this spring. So the first thing that you can do is, if you're into electronics, let's say cameras, for example, you can take used camera parts or any type of electronic like that and sell it to mpb.com. They will buy it outright. You'll get paid immediately. If you have clothing, for example, that you're not wearing anymore, list it on Poshmark. There are definitely other people out there who are going to be interested in purchasing your stuff for less than retail value, right? The third thing is, a lot of people have jewelry, and the price of gold is skyrocketing right now. It's actually the highest it has ever been in history. And so it's a really, really good time if you need a little bit of extra cash to also sell gold. And if you're looking to sell gold, I would highly recommend finding a reputable buyer. At Alloy Market, for example, the company that I started, we buy gold, we buy silver, we buy all the metals, and it's a really easy process, right? So as you're decluttering, make a little pile of the stuff that you're willing and even perhaps excited to part with. Request an appraisal kit from Alloy. We'll mail you a free kit. You mail your stuff back in, you get an offer the same day, and we'll issue you the cash the minute you accept your offer. So there's all sorts of different ways this spring that you can make money from decluttering and cleaning out your closet and cleaning out your house. Don't get overwhelmed by it, but definitely make sure you do a little bit of research. And so you're making sure that you're selling the various items that you're finding in decluttering in the right spot, on the right platform, in the right place.